Good morning. It's a beautiful day here. I hope it is at wherever you are as well. Well, today I'm going to make a cranberry sandwich cookie, and it will be sandwiched with Nutella. It's a lot like a little shortbread cookie. So let's get started on Darlene's table. All right, so I've got a cup of butter and 1 cup of powdered sugar. We're going to beat this very well till it's light and fluffy. Scrape down the sides of the bowl. Now I'm going to add vanilla bean paste. Mix this vanilla bean paste really well. This is a really easy cookie to make. So I'm going to add the salt to the flour. We'll give it just a little whisk. All right, so I'm going to add part of the flour and mix. I'm going to add the second part of the flour. There's no leavening or eggs in this cookie. It's more like a shortbread. Now that's the cranberries. I have chopped these dried cranberries very fine, and I'm mixing this with my hand. We're going to mix it till it comes together. I'm going to divide it in half, and I'm going to make a little disc out of each half, and it'll go into the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. I'm going to make the disc and put it on plastic wrap, flatten it out, cover it, and we'll make the second one. All right, here's the second disc, second half of the dough. And now I'm going to put them in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. All right, it's chilled for 30 minutes. Now I'm very, very lightly, because I don't want to add a lot of additional flour to this dough. We're going to roll it out about 1/4 of an inch thick, and I'm going to cut out my sandwich cookies. Make sure that you dust your cookie cutter each time with flour so it doesn't stick. It's a little stiff to roll out, but you'll get there. Once you start rolling it, it loosens up. I need about 1/4 inch thickness. All right, I'm using this 2-inch square. I didn't have a straight edge, so I'm using this little scalloped edge. So we're going to go over to the cookie sheet. Now, each time I use this, I'm going to dip it in flour. The recipe calls for putting them 2 inches apart. These cookies do not spread, so I didn't put them 2 inches apart. So into the oven at 325 until the edges are lightly brown. All right, out of the oven, and we're going to let these cool completely. I'm using Nutella, but you could melt chocolate and put that in between. There we go. This is how you'll do them. Very easy. Make a little sandwich cookie. Everyone that received these really liked them. Cranberry Nutella sandwich cookies. A crunchy sandwich cookie with bits of dried cranberries and Nutella. Really a fantastic combination. I think, however, the next time I'm going to make them a little thinner. Maybe. But they were good the way they were. I will say everyone that tried them liked them. Even my daughter liked them. And trust me, she has always given me her honest opinion when she likes something or not. So there you go. They are easy to make, and all you need is a hand mixer and an oven. Of course, you can find this recipe on darlenestable.com with the ingredients and directions on how to make them. Also, I've included a direct link to the recipe in the video description. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the like button, subscribe, and also tap that notification bell. That way you can keep up with what's going on Darlene's Table.